the Hugo Language Course Dutch in 3 months. I am Lief Achten, and I'm going to be your guide through this course. We suggest that you read the instruction leaflet before you begin. It will give you advice on how to make best use of the course material. The CDs are to be used in conjunction with the Dutch in 3 months book. There you'll find translations of the Dutch words and explanations of Dutch grammar and other language points. Ideally, you should first read through a section of the book and then listen to the relevant section of the CD with the book open in front of you. Repeat the Dutch yourself, trying to imitate the sounds as accurately as you can. Now let's begin.